Hey there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and if you are looking for a vitamin C supplement that is easy to swallow, will last a long time, and is made out of great quality ingredients, then I highly recommend this vitamin C by now. First of all, it's a giant bottle. It comes with 250 veg capsules. Vitamin C is an amazing antioxidant for your body. It's also going to help your immune system. It's going to help the collagen in your skin. And it's also great because this one comes with bioflavonoids, which help your body to absorb the vitamin C. Here you can see the vitamin C capsules are a good size compared to a penny. They're really not that big. They're pretty easy to swallow. This also helps me to avoid getting sick. So even though we are in prime sick season, I have not gotten a cold. This has been a great vitamin C for me and my family, and I'm definitely going to keep taking it. And I think that you and your body will definitely benefit from taking this vitamin C as well. But that's just my point of view.